At the height of summer, even the permanent ice caps are touched by the power of the sun. Meltwater channeled down from high on these ice caps pours over a precipice where the ice meets the ocean. Along this 200-mile wall of ice, 1,000 freshwater cascades plummet into the sea. As July draws on, the great melt reaches its peak. The greatest seasonal change on the planet has taken place. The sea ice that once extended all the way to the horizon is now open ocean. In just 3 months, the sun has won its battle with the ice. Over 2.5 million square miles of ice has melted away, uncovering thousands of islands surrounded by open ocean. But in recent years, the scale of this melt has been growing. And for one animal, this is a critical issue. A mother bear and her adolescent cub rest on a fragment of sea ice. With the melt, they're forced to swim ever greater distances to hunt for seals. Their Arctic home is increasingly vulnerable to a changing climate, and this year there has been even less ice than normal. If future melts are as extreme as this one, bears like these may starve or drown, lost at sea. This is one of the last pieces of ice now adrift in the open ocean. The polar bear's icy world has melted away.